So here we have it. We have a Reju Adventura 125. It's not a bad little motor for something that goes nowhere. But I'm fairly happy to be riding on the road. I can't wait to get a bigger bike already, but we're gonna have a bit of fun on this. We're gonna toy it around and see what it can do. We'll take it on some basic green lanes in a little bit. Well, hello everybody! You may be wondering, why am I riding on the road? Maybe because I did my CBT. I said I would never ever ever ride on the road, just have race licenses, but yeah, I changed my mind. I want to do some green laning, I want to have a commuter bike and all that kind of stuff. So I want myself a little 125 in the meantime, a little 125 adventure bike. You would have seen it at the start of the video, a nice little Reju Adventura 125. And so far it's been a fun little bike. I'm actually quite liking it. That's another thing though, joined the TRF today. Take this little 125 out in some green laning. But so far, the riding position and everything like that is quite good. It can stand up in it quite okay. The pegs, not the grippiest. But, you know, you can get a nice little attack position. The only thing is, the panels stick out a little bit, so I can't really keep my legs tucked in properly. But it's okay. It does the job. That's what I've got to get used to now, is traffic coming the other way. Whoop. Hello, lovely. Hiya. Also, I'm wearing my Enduro boots, and it's a little difficult to change gear in this with them. Okay, we're still straight on. But we'll get used to it. Okay, we are right here. I'm glad I bought this little quad lock thing. So I came for a ride last week after I bought the bike around these roads, and I just got completely lost. I ended up near the Peak District, and I live nowhere near the Peak District, maybe about like a good 40 minutes away. I thought I came around these roads just in a little circle. So we're trying a bit of a new setup today. I've got the GoPro mod mic on. I bought it ages ago to use it with Enduro, and I never used it. I've got like a lavalier microphone for it, so we're giving this a test. I don't know if we're going to get all the wind noise coming in from my helmet, but we'll give it a go. It's a bit windy out here. Hopefully it's doing good. If it is, then I'll use it for the Hare and Hounds events as well. I should also note as well, my KTM is broken. My poor little 250. Right, we are now at what I believe is the green lane. This could be the road up to somebody's house, but I don't quite know yet. Oh, this could be the green lane, yeah. So we're taking this little 125 green laning for the first time. So far it's okay. But again, this isn't anything serious. But Well, this is it. Can we take this little 125 on some basic green lanes whilst I'm doing my full test? We do have some off-road tyres in this, by the way, so we're not running this on slicks. Oh, we just got up our first route. Wow. If you're watching this wondering why is there a learner doing this stuff, he must be mad in the head, but I do have some Enduro experience. And I have done, not very good at it, some extreme Enduro events too. But yeah, we're just seeing if this can tackle it. So far I'm impressed, really. We're getting a bit dark in here, and I've got some darkish goggles on. Oh, so far, whoa. I'm just afraid of dropping this little 125, because after I do my full test I do want to sell it, so I don't really want to wreck it. Whoop. No, if you just picture this as a normal road and ride straight, it wouldn't be too bad. But you see all the dangers in front of you and you ride like crap. Right, we're gonna try to get a bit of extra footage here, so just bear with me, we'll be right back. Oh fuck. I fell off. So, funny story, I brought my drone with me and I took it off just here, and I was just trying to get a nice photo for maybe like a YouTube thumbnail or something, and I flew it into a bush and I broke one of his legs. So you'll just have to deal with a POV. So let's continue with this green lane. Well, if you're a learner and considering doing this, at least take somebody with you. Don't do this by yourself. Because, like, the roads might look like a piece of piss, but, you know, there's a lack of grip out here, especially with the wrong tyres and everything like that. And again, you've got to have a little bit of technique, certainly, which I lack, but and if you do come riding on stuff like this, as a learner again, wear good gear. Don't come out in just your jeans and a leather jacket. Like, I've just put my Enduro knee braces on for this. I'll put my body armour on. It's under my hoodie, so if I do fall, I'm protected. And I think we've just come back onto a normal road. That's the first green lane on the little Ryu Adventura 125 done. She performed not too bad, to be honest. There's more a bit of me just being careful with it. As I said, I don't want to drop it. So yeah, we'll pull over in a second. We'll put a map towards home.